All right, so we got the Draggy. We're about to do 0 to 60. We're gonna do a no launch, just kind of a quick start. We're gonna do a light launch and a mild launch. I'm not launching at 5,000, 6,000. In comparison, most of the people that I've seen that actually had videos for their 0 to 60 were in like the 6 second, low sixes, 6 second range. The best one I saw was like 5.9. I know Car and Driver alleges a 5.5 stock, but as they say, if you don't have it on video, it didn't happen. So I'll go kind of off the basis that the majority of people, normal drivers, are going to be in the range of about 6 seconds stock. So that'll be what I'm comparing my times to, and let's see how we do. So here's our little map for the 0 to 60. I did it at 5.55 seconds. That was with a 3,000 RPM launch, so a really low launch. And I accidentally hit the limiter in second. I actually believe that I can get this under 5 seconds.